Lovely jubbly. You good? Every time if you're traveling from one city to another city, so yeah, it's a drum at the counter. This retro driver is a decent one. Obeying rules.
एक था लड़का एक थी लड़की दीवानी
I've got it. High five. 100 rupees. Sorry. I don't know. Madness, man, look at traffic. Crazy. Madness it is. Absolute standstill traffic. I've just passed a little girl. I have to come back, look, she's just waiting there. Yelelo. Bloody hell, man, that is a proper chaos. What is going on here? Seriously, man. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. float. What's that cooking? Look, oh, yummy, yummy, man. Right. I'll come back a bit later on.
Oh.
Yeah, nice one.
Oh,
Cheers, thank you.
oh Daju.
Wow. Wow, masterclass, master chef. Wow, wow, look at that. Check this out. They've got some bread. Oh, nice, man. Nice. Very nice. Lovely jubbly. Nice, my brother. Wish me a good luck. And this is the price, by the way, yeah? And this restaurant is right opposite the New Delhi train station. Check it out. Well, we're going to get some food away from this restaurant, yeah? Might try our luck. Hope we're not going to get funny with it. And this guy is making my food. Look, check this out. Yes, lovely family, man. Great. Is that my food, brother? Is that my food? Mera kana hai? Yeah? Alright. एकदम जबरदस्त भाई एकदम chef, huh? Number one chef in Delhi.
New Delhi #1.
So we're gonna take our food away. We're not gonna sit down here, but we're gonna have it in our room. Alright? Yeah. The man just overcharged me, right? Produced me like this different menu, and this is a completely different menu. It's not a normal locals menu, do you know what I mean? That's not right. Right, this is the hotel. And guess what happened? Electricity just gone off. I suppose the man hasn't paid the electricity bill. Yep. So we're gonna sleep in the darkness tonight, and we're gonna see the ghost of Delhi. And the ghost of Delhi is gonna haunt us tonight. Yes, ladies and gents, that's true. Wow. Right, this is a street that's right behind the New Delhi train station. So, and on this street there's loads of hotels and obviously lots of shops and bars. Well, not lots of bars to be honest. I mean, I haven't seen any bar, but lots of fruit, shop, fruit, vegetable, all that stuff. And over here as well, I got myself a new shirt. I shall try it a bit later on. I'll see how it's gonna look like. By the way, I gotta say, man, the whole city of Delhi, yeah, it's like one massive, ginormous market, a bazaar. That's how it is. See? Wherever you go, you're gonna find the area just like this. Lots of shops, hustling and bustling. Yeah, man. Anyone fancy banana? Some sort of trade going on. We have given our blessing. How are you? You good? Pretty boy. Hello, little one. Would you like some? Right, so yeah, the British driver was telling me about this place. Oh, there it goes. It's written over there. It's Central Park. This is on our left. Yeah. Okay. Palka Bazaar. And obviously it's the underground, which is fully air conditioned, and there's lots of shops under the ground. And this is called Connaught Place. So this is a Connaught Place of Delhi. There you go, lots of shops over there. Lots of shops, yeah? Shops. Yeah, क्या चीज़ इधर? Shops.
यहाँ पे बहुत सारी शॉप्स हैं, सारी
Shops मिलेगा.
ये शॉप है, KFC है, होटल है.
Okay. I believe we have seen enough of Delhi. So, at the moment, on the rickshaw off to the New Delhi railway station. And hopefully, we can manage to get us a free ticket to go to Agra to see Taj Mahal tomorrow. Yeah, wow. Yeah.
This railway station, sir, ये railway station.
Okay, this one? Okay, yeah, on the right. Okay, thank you. Right. You gotta be careful so we're not stepping on someone. All the ladies just chilling, billing, sleeping on the floor. And over here. Go on, fellas, wake up. You're missing your train. Wake him up, man. Like, seriously, man. Check this out. Oh my god. I mean, check this out, yeah. I mean, this man is just like jumping right in front of me, yeah. I mean, look, this is the queue, yeah. Right, this is the queue, but the guy is jumping right in front of me. You wanna go there? Right, she wants to jump as well. Yes. Yeah. That's not right, is it? Look, this lady right in front of me is jumping. Look, out of the queue. Right, okay, that's the drama, yeah, it's the drama at the counter, and the ticket counter, right? Every time if you're travelling from one city to another city, so if you haven't got a ticket, or you haven't got a reservation, so you have to queue up at the ticket counter, and then you have to fill out this form. Fill out this form, and then, yeah. And if you get lucky, you might get yourself a ticket. That's how it works. And look at the platform, yeah, well, it's not a platform, but look, everyone's just sitting on the floor, just waiting for a ticket, look, all over. See that? Madness. Right, let's go and try our luck, see if I can manage to get ourselves a ticket now.
कल के लिए वेटिंग लेनी है कहाँ मिलेगी? मेन रोड से ले।
दिल्ली चंडीगढ़ की टिकट चाहिए 7:15 वाले। कितने की?
Right, I'll just fill that.
पेन दे दो। पेन दे दो सर।
Yeah, that's fine.
Your train is 9 o'clock.
That's okay, that's fine.
AC or without?
AC, please. Yes, please.
AC luxurious or comfort?
I'm sorry?
You want to be AC luxurious, higher or lower?
No, just a lower, please.
Four flight.
Uh-huh.
Fine. Where will you go?
No. Iron.
Higher flight. Oh,
How much is it?
where will you go? Agra.
Agra, please, yeah.
You don't ride here. If you ride here, Agra.
Okay. Thank you, that's lovely, thank you. Oh, thank you. There you go, sir. Man, you have to go through so many formalities. You have to fill in the form, you have to give your address, your home address, your telephone number, your age, and your passport number to get yourself a ticket to go from one place to another place. It's absolutely a madness. Why is it so difficult?
760.
How much?
760.
7. Can I pay by card?
No.
Oh, shit. Right, so a train from New Delhi station to Agra, it is going to cost me about 760. So 760 is equivalent to about £7 and something. And it's only about 3 hours, but obviously it's an air-conditioned train, so hopefully it's a comfortable one. Right. We are luck. We managed to get us a ticket. Sorry, can I take my bill, please? Well, back on the train now, but leaving for Agra from Delhi. So I think it's going to be about 3 or 3.5 hours. Right, so we're going to catch up tomorrow morning. Till then, ciao bello.
Thank you.